The Galaxy S24 series' significant initial information reveal has finally taken place. In order to dispel such speculations, Samsung is going all out with its S24 lineup. Along with this, Samsung is really undergoing its greatest telephoto camera improvement since the Galaxy S20 series. So, to start, due to the sources from Galaxy Club and Sam Mobile, we now know what Samsung's real code name for the S24 series is. Samsung has a habit of giving its Galaxy S range several code names throughout time, but the S24 will be known as Muse. It is further divided into Muse 1, Muse 2, and Muse 3 categories for the S24, S24 Plus, and S34 Ultra, respectively. Samsung is releasing the S24 Plus despite the state of the market and earlier speculations, and all three variants will probably be available once again. As for the codename itself, the word Muse has the idea of something that promotes innovation, which is what Samsung needs right now in the tech industry since, as we all know, smartphones in general. The S24 lineup has been refined to a degree we haven't seen before since it is really difficult to introduce anything new. The optical zoom for the S24 Ultra will be 5x, according to both sources, in addition to the codename. It's quite intriguing that Samsung is updating this from the 3x lens that we have seen since the days of the S20 series and is now finally being upgraded to 5x on the S24 Ultra. However, it's not clear if it's a 3 to 5x continuous zoom lens or simply a 5x lens. The 200-megapixel sensor is still there to be seen, along with the ultra-wide-angle lens, which we are unsure if it will get upgraded, and the 10x optical zoom will also help this 5x zoom setup. It is very likely going to be a brand new sensor, making it Samsung's most powerful optical zoom sensor ever. With regard to the Mind Zoom configuration for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung will undoubtedly have the most potent option. Regarding the chip announcement, Samsung will abide by what is best for the client, which is almost certainly going to be the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.